Today, Apple is one of the most valuable companies in the world. Its products are used by billions of people every day. From a small startup, the company would grow into a global technology leader, influencing the way people communicate, work, and create. Every successful company begins with an idea. Sometimes a single vision can change the world. One of them was a gifted engineer who loved solving problems and creating new inventions from scratch. Working together in a small garage, they began turning ideas into reality. Their first computer was simple, but it proved that personal technology had enormous potential. Early customers were impressed by what these young creators had built. Encouraged by positive feedback, the team started work on a more advanced machine. The new product quickly gained popularity among families, students, and businesses. What began in a garage was becoming one of the fastest-growing technology companies in America. Success attracted attention from investors who saw a bright future ahead. As the company grew, so did its ambitions. The next goal was bold: create a computer that anyone could use. The result was a machine that introduced a friendlier way for people to interact with technology. Many people saw it as a glimpse into the future. But rapid growth also brought challenges and disagreements. In a surprising turn of events, one of the company's key visionaries left the organization he helped create. Without strong direction, the company entered one of the most difficult periods in its history. Many experts believed the company might never regain its former success. Then came a turning point. A familiar leader returned with a new vision and a determination to rebuild the company.